The Spanish Office of Climate Change, a beacon for Europe in the fight against global warming. The Spanish Office of Climate Change, OECC, has positioned itself as a benchmark in the fight against climate change at the European level. Its innovative and efficient management model has proven to be a key tool for implementing ambitious climate policies. Since its creation, the OECC has played a fundamental role in the administration of the Carbon Footprint Registry, validating and verifying the information submitted by organizations and awarding official seals that recognize efforts to reduce and offset emissions. In addition, the OECC has pioneered the implementation of the European Union Emissions Trading System, EU ETS, in Spain, ensuring its proper functioning and supervising compliance with the obligations of the installations. The OECC stands out for its proactive approach and its ability to adapt to changing challenges. Its experience in managing the Market Stability Reserve, MSR, is a case in point. The OECC has been a key player in the implementation of this mechanism, which plays a fundamental role in stabilizing the carbon market and promoting the decarbonization of the economy. The OECC model can serve as inspiration for other EU countries. Its comprehensive approach, combining regulation, supervision, and the promotion of innovation, has proven effective in achieving climate objectives. By sharing its knowledge and experience, the OECC can contribute to strengthening climate action across Europe. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups, especially on European regulations against climate change. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your inquiries, or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.